Stock futures are very choppy today. We have equities, which had been higher, then fell down, and now is trying to rebound. The US dollar, which has started the day very strong, fell sharply. And no surprise, it has everything to do with Iran headlines because there are no major US economic reports on the calendar today. Now, in the latest reports, according to Pakistan, Iran will be sending its foreign minister to on Friday today for talks in Pakistan. Now, there's been no confirmation from Iran that I've seen so far. The day is new, but the markets are optimistic about it. Oil prices are slightly lower. The US dollar, as I said, is pulling back and giving up some of its safe haven gains. However, there's a lot of cautiousness in the markets because between Israel and Lebanon, missiles are still being fired, and China is restricting investment to U.S. tech firms. So that's, indicating to us that perhaps Chinese-U.S. relations are not going so well, and maybe that visit by President Trump to China is kind of, tenuous at best right now, may not happen. Overall, headlines will be dominating market flows today because, we have U.S. officials in Pakistan for a potential meeting. We'll see if Iran shows up, and that's really going to drive everything. Next week, I think, hopefully we'll be back to focus on what all of this means for monetary policy. We've got 5 central bank rate decisions: Federal Reserve, Bank of England, ECB, Bank of Japan, Bank of Canada. So that's going to be front and center. But of course, depending how things play out, Iran headlines could continue to dominate flows. Trade cautiously. We're still hovering near record highs, so that's a very treacherous place to be trading longs and shorts. The market is still very headline driven. It's Friday. It's best to just square up, be out of the markets, and start fresh next week after we see how things play out in the geopolitical landscape today. I'm Kathy LIEN with BK Traders. This is a great time to sign up for Prop Trader Fest. We've got over 20 amazing speakers and leaders of prop firms. If you're trading prop, you've got to be there because, you don't want to miss this at all. Propfest.com is completely free May 9th. Even if you can't join us, register and we'll send you more information.